Hello and welcome to the video. So as you can probably tell by the title, today I'm celebrating my 700 subscribers. Thank you so much. I think it was just the other day I felt like I was pushing myself through a grueling pull-up challenge to celebrate 500, and here we are on 700. So say a big thank you to you guys. Once again, I'll be pushing myself through a grueling fitness challenge. If you're new to the channel, I have done 1,000 push-ups, a ridiculous amount of burpees, 500 pull-ups, skipping for an hour, 1,000 squats. So I felt like the only thing left to do was sit-ups. So today's challenge, I'm gonna be doing 700 sit-ups for 700 subscribers. I'm actually on 709 now, so if I'm not dead, I'll do an extra 9 for you other 9 fine people. Like all these challenges, I don't know whether this is going to be easy or hard. I literally never do sit-ups, but I just attempted 10 sit-ups then and it was pretty tiring, so pretty sure it's going to be knackering. I'm going to kind of break them up into sets of 25, so I'm going to have to do like 28 sets of 25 will make 700. Honestly, I have no idea how this is going to go. Okay, so I just want to stop right there. And I want you, as always, to drop in the comments what time you think I can do this challenge in. A lot of the time you guys are very enthusiastic for me, so yeah, I appreciate the positive vibes when it comes to doing these challenges. I was going to film this outside because it is quite a nice day, but on hindsight, I think using the shag rug to protect my lower back is probably going to be beneficial for this challenge. So yeah, I'm filming it indoors in the Swingin' 60s living room. Yeah, I always think these videos are going to be pretty easy and quick to make, and then just before I start making them I realise I'm actually doing a horrible grueling fitness challenge. I kind of almost forget about that and just think, yeah, it'll be fun. But yeah, it will be fun for you guys to watch. Anyway, that's going to be it. Enough waffling. I'm obviously just want to get this challenge over and done with. I've been putting it off for long enough, so yeah, I'll slowly fade myself out, bring up some uplifting music, and we'll fade into the sit-up montage, and let's see how we do. Let's go. First 50. So much harder than I even anticipated. I say you shouldn't live with regrets, but I feel like I'm literally living in a regretful situation right now. Woo! Halfway. Slowing down dramatically, it's so hard. Literally, can't even say anything. It's tough. You can see, this is a... 150 left. I don't have abs after this. We did it. Ha. Oh. 9 more for the other 9 subscribers. We did it. Whoo! I need to see the rug. I don't know if you can see where the action took place. There we are. And we are back, and it has been about 2 hours since I completed the challenge. I literally just needed to rest for a little bit afterwards, and I was so tired. Here we are. But yeah, that was horrendous. I do not advise anyone doing 700 sit-ups. Thoughts on the challenge? That was probably one of the most toughest challenges mentally, because I feel like I fatigued so quickly. Like with the pull-up challenge and the push-up challenge, I can do quite a lot of reps before I fatigued in that, but I honestly felt like I fatigued in my abs so fast that it was literally just a mental game, and I really just had to look at like each set as a set. So I was doing sets of 25, and I had to be like focused on doing sets of 25, because I remember when I was on like 150, I was like, there's no way I can do any more. But yeah, just focusing on doing 25 at a time, not thinking of the end number, enabled me to just carry on and push through. And then that's good advice in anything. If you have a big challenge ahead, whether it's fitness or anything related, and you just can't even fathom like doing something, running a marathon, doing a big job that you have to do, then just break it down into like easily digestible steps and just focus on that first step, whatever it may be. Say for example, if it was to run a marathon, just say, hey, I'm going to run literally 1 mile. And then once you get to 1 mile, I'm going to run 2 miles. And it sounds silly, it sounds obvious, but when it comes to doing things like this, it really does help. And then once you're finished, it's kind of like strength training for the brain, the mindset, you know, that you can do anything. Because yeah, that was literally just a horrific mind game. But yeah, we got here. I feel good now that it's done with. But yeah, does doing 700 sit-ups get you abs? No, 100% not. Abs are probably the muscle that you need to train the least. If you think of the human body on a spectrum, abdominals are like 1% of your muscle mass, like compared to your back, to your legs, to your chest. So you really don't need to spend too much time training them. So if you're performing all the compound movements, this is how I suggest you train. You're going to be incorporating your abs and core in all of those movements anyway, so they kind of secondarily get trained while you're training other movements. Well, the main factor it comes to when having abdominals is 1, can be genetics, 2, having a low body fat percentage, and 3, where your body fat is distributed. Some people just naturally don't deposit any fat on their abdominals. Loretta, and people like myself, it can be the last place to drop fat. So yeah, you just have to focus on the body fat percentage and getting stronger, and your abdominals will eventually show up. But doing lots and lots of cardio and lots of sit-ups is not the way to get six-pack, but that is what we all think and do, because that is essentially what I pretty much did for the first year or 2 of training. And even though I was super skinny, I did not have abs. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, this is just a thank you so much for all you subscribers. Really means the world. I enjoy making these videos, sharing my information, having some fun. So the fact that there's 709 of you that are signed up, that really means the world, and this is me showing my appreciation. I know there's so many fitness YouTube channels out there, so the fact that you spend a couple of minutes watching mine really means the world. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, why don't you think about subscribing? Because when I hit 1,000, which is going to be my next milestone, I'm going to be doing the most horrific, horrendous, grueling fitness challenge to date, and that's going to be up to you to decide what it is as well. So drop in the comments below if you have any ideas what you'd like to see me do then. As I always say, I'm up for anything. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something, or at least I hope you had some fun, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You're my ghouls.